name is Kim Hensley, and I'm a service technician at Karl Chevrolet. I decided to pursue a career in the automotive industry. It was kind of a risk for me. I had never done any car work before, but it was so interesting to me, and I really was passionate about learning how it worked. So I went to DMAC and enrolled there in their ASEP program, which is through GM, where you can study alongside a technician in the dealership and get schooling at DMAC at the same time. That really helped me to think like, I actually can do this, I think. I enjoy the problem solving, and every day you learn something new. Even technicians who have been here for 20 years can be learning something new every day. So I wanted that in a career. My current goals are working toward becoming a master technician. That's probably my #1 priority right now, and getting all of my certifications complete, which I like being here at Karl's because they really support that and encourage you to accomplish those things. They let you take the time to go to get extra hands-on learning at DMAC that they provide for people that are working in the field. And what I want from my job is I want to be the best, and I want to do my best every day. Being a woman in the automotive industry is probably just challenging in different ways. But if you can get the right tools and be smarter instead of working harder, then you can complete it. But sometimes that means you have to think outside the box and do something differently than how you maybe saw your male coworker do it. Any advice I would give to any girls wanting or becoming a service technician would probably be a couple things. You can do it. Being comfortable in yourself to ask as many questions as possible is gonna help you be more successful at the end of the day. Because really you need to be doing things correctly. Working on cars can be very precision, and it's also a lot of understanding large concepts about how vehicles work. And if you can get those nailed down, then you can do well and apply them to any vehicle you're working on. You can definitely accomplish this if you want to be in this field. It's hard work, but if you like do hard work and you like moving and you don't want to just sit at a desk all day, then you'll probably like this job.